Back in 2016, we introduced the world to PlatyPod Pro Max and created the PlatyPod Ultra in 2017. We created a lightweight and extremely useful tool to take your photos to new heights or lows. We listened to your feedback and went above and beyond with PlatyPod eXtreme. We improved the spike system and replaced it with 4 metal hinges, which can be adjusted into 4 positions each. We added open belt slots, a comfortable carry handle, and other powerful features. There is a reason we call it PlatyPod eXtreme, so let us prove it to you.
Having adjustable spike feet is a game changer for me. I never have much time to set up while shooting, and this gives me extreme rapid deployment. Now I can get all of my shots no matter what the terrain looks like, and I will definitely be keeping this in my camera bag for all my future shoots.
Even if you aren't always outside or scaling a mountain, the PlatyPod eXtreme will rock your world for shooting inside. With 7 threaded 1/4-inch locations, you can take your photography or videography to the next level. Now, I can easily add lighting to my shots, and it moves with the camera. The eXtreme allows you to get into difficult spaces and angles. It makes the impossible possible.
PlatyPod eXtreme's portable size makes it easier than ever to carry around. It has a large cutout at the toe of the plate that allows users to carry it with 3 or 4 fingers.
I can attach the PlatyPod eXtreme with my carabiner via the large slots at the heel, carry handle, or the long slots in the strap arms. With PlatyPod eXtreme, we updated the belt slots, making it faster and easier to mount your camera to a tree, pole, railing, or even your car.
With the belt loop addition, I can quickly mount my setup even after the camera's attached. It helps me capture unique angles even when I'm by myself.
To summarize, PlatyPod eXtreme gives you extreme utility, extreme portability, extreme stability, extreme adaptability, and extreme rapid deployment. You asked for it, we listened, and brought you the most diverse photographic tool we've ever made. PlatyPod eXtreme. We hope you'll back this exciting new addition to the PlatyPod family. The eXtreme is all about helping you expand your creativity with a whole new perspective in imaging.